Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera. Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our laps and close our eyes. When you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. And next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we can begin by stretching up high to the sky. High as we can. And then let's go down low. Touch our toes. And then back up high one more time. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And while we're there, let's have a wave side to side. And then back down to touch our toes once more. And stand up, hands on hips, and let's have a wiggle side to side. A nice wiggle side to side. Stop. Another wiggle side to side. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And next, we'll go round and round. Round and round. And stop. And now we'll go back the other way. Give our spines a nice stretch. Round and round the other way. And stop. And to finish, we will do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So in our previous math lesson, we learned about a new word called schedule. Yes, and we spell schedule S-C-H-E-D-U-L-E. So all together, guys, schedule. And a schedule means the sequence of time when we must perform certain activities. And in the previous lesson, we learned how to comprise a schedule of a certain type of function. Timetable, excellent. We learned about timetables and how we can read and understand timetables to get the schedule of different things. The timetable is spelled T-I-M-E, like time, which we've been studying, and then table, T-A-B-L-E. So all together, guys, schedule, timetable. Now, in our previous lesson, we learned that timetables must have at least two different things. Can anybody remember what they are? The first one is in the name. The first one is time. Every timetable must have a time. Otherwise, it's not a timetable. So that's the first thing, is time. But who can remember what the second thing is? Activity. Yes, we need to know at what time we do certain activities. And that's where we have activity also. So the two things you will find on every timetable, time and activity. Now, some timetables have more information, such as dates or days of the week. And what we're going to be doing in today's lesson is doing our own school class schedule over days of the week. But who can remember some of the different timetables we looked at in the last lesson, guys? What timetables? Remember we looked at bus timetables, train timetables. Again, not ships. We looked at TV timetables. When we were looking at things when there was the time and the activities, what things can you remember? There was bus timetable, train timetable, school class timetable, and TV timetable. So you can see there are lots of different timetables that we can use. For example, we'll look at a TV timetable. So this one, TV timetable. So if we're going to do a TV timetable, what's the first thing we need? Time. So who can give me a time? 12, oh, 12:30 until, what time will the TV program run till? 1300 hours. Okay. So now we have our time. Next we need our activity or our TV program. What TV program shall we have on 12:30 till 1? What cartoon? What cartoon do you like? Tom and Jerry, okay? Tom and Jerry. So, okay, Tom and Jerry runs from 12:30 till 1300 hours. But then, at 1300 hours, we need a new program. So the next program will start 1300 hours until... Now, let's make the next program 1 hour long. So from 1300 hours to 1400 hours. Now, what shall our next TV program be? Football. Okay, let's watch the football. FOOTBALL. So you can see how the TV timetable is forming with the different times and the different activities. The activity in this case is the television programs. Now, after football, we need to find out about what's going on locally and in the world. So now it's time for news. Now, what time will the news begin at? If the football ends at 1400 hours, the news begins at 1400 hours. And how long will the news be for? 14:30, so for half an hour. So you see how this is an example of a television timetable. What time does Tom and Jerry begin? 12:30. And what time does Tom and Jerry end? 1300 hours. So then, what time does the football begin? 1300 hours. And what time does the football end? 14:30. And what time does the news begin? 14:00. Until? So you see the timetable is all of the different times running into one another. Here we've gone from 12:30 till 14:30, but we've gone in sequence of times with the different television programs. And this is what we mean by TV timetable. Guys, that was excellent, very well remembered. And what we're going to do now is take a look at a PowerPoint presentation for our students to learn some more facts about timetables and also practice reading a timetable and answering the questions involved. So let's all turn to look at the TV screen, please, guys. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation, creating timetables. Yes, because in today's lesson, guys, you're going to get the chance to create your own school timetable. And it will look something like this. So what can we see along the top bar? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So along the top bar, we have the days that we come to school. Now along the bar on the bottom going down, what do we see? Not days, times. You can see 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. So this is the type of timetable we'll be doing today. We've got days of the school week here and then times. Now what's all the information in between? What can you see here? Math, science, English, lunch, sport, break. So all the information in your school timetables are the activities like lessons, lunch, and other things. So have a look at this because you'll get the chance to create your own later. We use different types of timetable schedules every day. Now in the previous lesson we learned about some of them, but let's take another look. We use class timetables. Yes, and class timetables doesn't have to be at school. This is a class timetable of a gymnasium. You can see all the different types of exercise at the different times and the different days. For example, they have Fitbox class 6 till 6:30 on Tuesday. How about legs, bums and tums? What day? Thursday. What time? 6 till 6:30. Okay, so let's have a look. Who can tell me what class do they have on Tuesday at 7 till 7:30? So let's find Tuesday. Tuesday is here, and we go down till 7 till 7:30, and they have kettlexercise, which is a funny type of exercise. So you can see the different days, the different times, and the different exercises, which is why we need timetables to know what time we do certain activities. We use bus and train timetables. Now these ones are very important. When we want to go somewhere, if we have to get the bus or the train, we need to know the times. And this is a train timetable in Europe. It goes from London to Paris to Munich and then to different countries all around Europe. It's called the Eurostar. And you can see the different times that it gets to different places. We use television timetables every day. Like we looked at earlier on the board, if we want to watch our favorite TV program, we need to know when it is. For example, okay, let's have a look at a program. Let's see, Journeyman. What time does Journeyman start? O'clock or 1000 hours. And what time does Journeyman finish? Okay, and Journeyman is on the channel NBC. But who can tell me what's on the channel Fox at 8 o'clock? So look at the time, 8 o'clock, and the channel Fox, and we have Prison Break. So you see, if you want to watch different channels and different programs, you need to look at the timetable to tell you when they are. Therefore, we must learn to read schedules and timetables accurately. Because if we read them wrong, we'll miss our favourite TV show, or we'll miss the bus. All timetable schedules must have two things: time and activity. Some can have more, like days that we'll be doing today, but at least two things: time and activity. So here is another example of what type of timetable. School timetable. So you can see it has the days that we go to school: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the times of the lessons. And then the information in the blocks are the different lessons that we do. So this is the type of timetable you'll be doing today on your worksheet. So let's practice how to read it together. What time is math class on Thursday? So let's go along. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. English, we don't want that one. Math, okay. So math is 11 until 12:30. You can see math class is 1 hour and a half. 11 o'clock until 12:30. Math class is 1100 hours till 12:30 on Thursday. Okay. Next question. What days are science class? So who can find science class? And I'll give you a clue. 2 days. There's science on 2 days. Who can find science? It's okay, so Friday. Prel says Friday. Correct. Science on Friday. Science on Wednesday. Is there science on Monday? No. It's football, geography, math, and English. So we can say science class is on Wednesday and Friday. And that's how we read the timetable. We can get the information we want by looking at days and times. When is swimming class? When can we see swimming, guys? What day? Friday. Now, what time? And be careful, because we have after school. So after school on Friday, swimming. Swimming class is Friday after school. Okay, now the last question, because it's a school timetable, how many days do we go to school? How many days can you see, guys? 5. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we say we go to school 5 days a week. Notice the school timetable, no Saturday, no Sunday, because we don't go to school them days. Any questions, guys? That was brilliant, well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation so that they can learn some more about timetables and how we use them to produce schedules. And in particular today, we're focusing on the school class timetable because our students are going to get the chance to create their own in the worksheet activity. But before then, we've got a stretch sequence coming up, guys. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And for this sequence, we'll begin with some rotations. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent, guys. Now we'll do some stretches. So let's do 5 to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we'll do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Now have a shake. Arms and legs. Shake it out. Shake it out. And now we'll take our right hand and find our left foot. And then left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Excellent, guys. To finish, we will do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So coming up, we've got our worksheet activity where our students need to create their own school class timetable. But what we're going to do first, as a board exercise, we're going to demonstrate how to complete it. But we're not going to do every day. We're only going to choose one day to demonstrate how to do it. And the day that we will demonstrate, we'll use tomorrow. So tomorrow, what day is tomorrow, guys? Tomorrow is Thursday, and then after Thursday comes, okay, so we're going to do our school class timetable for tomorrow, which is Thursday. So the first thing we need to do is we need to write the day. Thursday, Thursday. Okay, so we've got our day. But what else do we need, guys, so we know when we need to be at certain classes? If we have a day, what does a timetable need? Time. Excellent. T-I-M-E. Okay, so here we have time, and we're only concentrating on one day, which is tomorrow, Thursday. On the worksheet, you will see all 5 days. What we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on the first time slot. So let's see who can think about what we need to do, what lesson, and also what time period are we doing first tomorrow. And the first student to come forward will be Pangpon. So Pangpon, come and join me at the front of class. So thinking about tomorrow, guys, what time do we start our lessons? What time? First of all, what time do we start?
8:30 to 9:30.
Okay, so the first thing we need is 8:30 until 9:30. Excellent. Okay, and then what we need to know is what lesson we have at these times. So what 8:30 till 9:30 tomorrow is math, okay? So then we need to write math. Okay, so we've got math, 8:30 till 9:30. All together, guys, 8:30 until 9:30, math. So you know where you need to be in the morning. Pang pong, that was brilliant. Big round of applause for Pang pong, please, guys. So we've got our first lesson of tomorrow on the board. 8:30 till 9:30, we have math. But then we need to study some more lessons. So let's see who can do the next one. And the pen is now with Dan. So Dan, come and join me at the front of class, please. If math class finishes at 9:30, what time does the next class begin? 9:30 until 10:30. Until 10:30. Okay, so we know what times for the next lesson, but can anybody help down? What's the next lesson after math? Science. And how do we spell? C-I-E. C-E. Excellent. So all together, guys, 9:30 till 10:30. Science. Dan, that was brilliant. Big round of applause for Dan, please, guys. So you can see how we're forming our school class timetable for tomorrow. We've got our lessons and we've got our times. Is it time to go home yet? No. We need to do some more lessons. So let's see who can do the next one. And now we'll ask Net to come forward. So Net, now it's your turn. We've got math class. We've got science class. If science class finishes at 10:30, what time does the next class begin? 10:30. Remember how the timetable, the times always run in sequence. And what time does this class end? 11:30. Now what class do we have? Social. Yes, we've got social after science. So social, S-O-C-I-A-L. Perfect, Net. Well done. So we can say 10:30 till 11:30. Social. Net, that was brilliant. Big round of applause for Net, please, guys. So we've done lots of studying this morning, or tomorrow morning, math, science, social. But now I guess you guys might start to be feeling a little bit hungry. So who can tell us what activity comes next on the planner? So let's see. So guys, social finishes at 11:30. What time does the next activity begin? 11:30 till 12:30. Well done, Nadia. So 11:30 till 12:30. Now what happens here? Do you study? It's time for lunch. So Nadia, you can write lunch. L-U. Nadia, that's perfect. So we say 11:30 till 12:30. Lunch. Nadia, that was brilliant. High five and a big round of applause for Nadia, please, guys. So you can see what we've got here now. We've created a timetable for tomorrow morning's classes and activities. So all together, one more time, 8:30 till 9:30, math. 9:30 till 10:30, science. 10:30 till 11:30, social. And then 11:30 till 12:30, lunch. Guys, that was brilliant. Very well done. Now it's time for our worksheet part of the lesson where our students get the chance to create their own timetable based upon the lessons that they have to study in their school week. So you can see the timetable, guys. You have your 5 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What you need to do is think about your school week. Enter the different times in this column here, and then fill in the information for the activities and the lessons that you have on the different days. But what's the first thing we need to do? Write our names on top. And give our students around 15 minutes for this activity. And if they need any help with spelling or vocabulary, we can write it on the board too. So Net, this one's for you. You're welcome. Pat, this one's for you. You're welcome. Nadia, for you. You're welcome. Chu, here's yours. Down for you. You're welcome. Prau, here's yours. You're welcome. Lakau, for you. And Bangpon, this one's for you.
Thank you, teacher.
So names on top first, guys, and then times in the left-hand column. So what's the first time every day? 9:30. 9:30 till 10:30. And then you have to think about the different days. What lessons do you study? What activities do you have on them days? The ones that you study every week. But you can start your timetable always by doing the times. We've done up till the morning on Thursday. But then think about what times do you study in the afternoon. So Monday, 8:30, what class do you study? Math. Correct. Every day, first class is math. So 8:30 every day, math class. And that's a good one to get you started. So Pakbung every day. Math. Not science. We don't have science first class. This is good, so it will help you to remember what classes you have. First class every day, we begin with math. And if you need any help with spelling or grammar, guys, let me know. Perfect. Okay, well done, Bangpon. And then, after 9:30, we get to 10:30. 10:30 on Monday. English. Yes. English. So it's a good idea to write the times first of all, guys. And then the times are the same for every day. If you write your time sequence, 8:30 till 9:30, 9:30 till 10:30, 10:30, 11:30. That's your morning. And then we have lunch. Okay, so math, English, 10:30 till 11:30. What do you have second hour on Monday? Okay, so it's math, science, English on Monday. And then it's time for lunch. Every day, 11:30 till 12:30, lunch. So if you want, you can go L-U-N-C-H. Because lunch has 5 letters, and you can write it across the week. Math, first hour. Science, second hour. And then English. And for Thursday, guys, you can use what you've done already. This is Thursday morning. But you need to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday too. So Nadia, Monday, first hour, math. And then after math, what did you study on Monday? Second hour. Science. Science. Don't forget lunch. Lunch. 12:30, 11:30. Lunch. Every day, 11:30. Lunch. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity today where they had to complete their own class timetables based on the times that they have to study and then also the lessons that they have to study. And this is a good way for our students to get used to creating timetables with something that they use every day. So guys, that was brilliant. Very well done. And that's all we've got time for today. So we hope you learn more about creating timetables. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye, guys? Bye-bye. See you again soon.